Hey guys, wagwan wagwan, it's your girl Shanice and I'm so happy to welcome you guys back to Jammin' Cuisine. If you're new, welcome and thank you so much for watching. As you guys can see in this video, I will show you how to make the most delicious candied yams or sweet potatoes, whatever you call it, and it's very quick and easy. We're still on our Thanksgiving recipes, so let's get right into it. So let's go through the main ingredients we'll be using for this recipe. We have salt, of course. I'll be using a little bit of ground nutmeg. This is optional. I love the kick that it gives it. We also have our cinnamon, of course. We also have our vanilla extract, and I'll be using a stick of butter for this recipe. We also have a cup of brown sugar and a cup of white granulated sugar, and here I have 2 large potatoes peeled. Okay guys, to a hot pan we're gonna add half of that stick of butter, and I just sliced it so that it would melt easier. We're gonna allow it to melt but not burn, so ensure that your flame is not too high. And this is unsalted butter that I'm using, by the way. Once the butter is completely melted, we're gonna go in with half of that white sugar and half of that brown sugar. We're just gonna mix it in and leave it on low flame. We're just gonna allow the sugars to caramelize. And guys, it might seem a little dry and you might be tempted to add a little bit of liquid. Don't do that. Just give it a few seconds. The sugar's gonna start melting and then it's gonna become all liquid and all nice. So to this we're gonna go ahead and add a tablespoon of vanilla extract. We're also gonna add around a teaspoon of salt. We're also gonna follow that up with a teaspoon of our ground cinnamon and a teaspoon of our ground nutmeg, which is optional. And guys, we're just gonna mix this in. You know, you want to get the flavors incorporated really well, and please ensure that your flame is on low. Like I said before, we really don't want to ruin this beautiful thing we have going on right here. So once we're finished mixing in all the flavors, we're gonna go ahead and gradually add our sweet potatoes or yams, whatever you call it. I'm Jamaican, so we definitely call it sweet potatoes. Guys, go ahead and drop some comments down below as to what you call this in your country. So guys, what I did right here was I added half of my sweet potatoes first and I mixed it in really well, and then we're gonna add the remaining of our butter and then the remaining half of our sweet potatoes. We want to ensure that every bit of sweet potato is covered in sugar, so go ahead and mix that in really well, and then we're gonna add the remaining of our ingredients. So now we're gonna add the remaining portion of our sugar, white and brown. We're gonna cover this baby right here and allow it to sit on a low flame for around 3 to 4 minutes uninterrupted. We're not gonna add any liquid to this. We're gonna allow it to produce its own liquid, and then we're gonna come back and see what it's looking like. Okay guys, after that 3 to 4 minutes, this is how we're looking. Look nice. This is looking so good, and it's not even finished yet. We're actually gonna finish it in the oven, so this is the time you're gonna get your baking dish, your Pirates dish, whatever you're gonna use. Or if you prefer to finish it stove top, it's up to you, but I normally finish my candied yams in the oven. Guys, go ahead and pour out all that goodness into your baking dish. We're gonna go ahead and add a piece of aluminum foil on top to cover it, not too tight, and we're gonna bake it in our 350 degrees Fahrenheit oven, which is around 175 degrees Celsius, and then we're gonna see how it's looking. So guys, after that 30 minutes, this is how we're looking. I wish you guys could smell my kitchen. It's already smelling like Thanksgiving over here. So I'm basically basting my sweet potatoes. You can take your spoon and just pour the juice all over the top. So what I'm gonna do now, guys, is just do a test with a fork to make sure that the potatoes are cooked. As you guys can see, it went right through. That means it's fully cooked and they're all ready to go. So now I'm gonna put my potatoes back into the oven uncovered to broil on low for 7 minutes. If your oven doesn't have the broiling feature, you can put your potatoes back in the oven uncovered on the same temperature and just let it sit for 10 minutes, and that should do the trick. It's about that time, guys. So after broiling for 7 minutes, this is how we're looking. This is the final masterpiece, guys. This is looking so good and it's tasting even better. I wish you all could have a taste, but I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and I hope your candied yams came out really delicious. We're like a month away from Thanksgiving, so let me know what Thanksgiving recipe you'd like to see me make next. Thank you so much for watching. Walk good and stay safe. Until next time.